Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And what a beautiful day of weather we are having across the Northeast down into the Mid-Atlantic states. We do have a little bit of cloud cover in a couple of spots. So there's the ocean clouds have shifted southward. So we're seeing some of those clouds coming into southern New Jersey, down into the southern Delaware, southeastern Virginia, southern parts of the Delmarva Peninsula. You can see the back edge of Hurricane Umberto that is way out to the east. And, of course, this is now kicking up the surf from the southern New England on southward into coastal Virginia. So just bear that in mind if you decide to head to the beaches today. It's a little bit on the cool side, but certainly with all this sun, it makes for a very nice day. Temperatures are in the 60s, and clear skies dominate New England. And then we do have a little bit of cloud cover that's pushing up into the mountains of Pennsylvania. But that really is just about it as far as issues are concerned. And when we take a look at some of the high temperatures that we're going to be expecting for the rest of today, we're looking at readings topping out generally in the upper 60s to some lower 70s. Some of the warmer urban centers, New York City might push it up to 72 or 3. Philadelphia the same for Washington, D.C. But everybody's in that zone, low 70s with a few of the cooler spots with a little elevation, probably seeing temperatures in the upper 60s. Now we are going to have another chilly night ahead with clear skies and light winds, which means that we are going to see some radiational cooling in inland spots with temperatures down in the 40s. Many areas will be down in the 40s, low 50s around the warmer urban centers and along the immediate coast. And then starting on Friday, we're going to warm things up. This is we're going into the last weekend of the summer season. And we are going to have late summer weather in terms of temperatures. But I have to tell you, the humidity is going to be reasonable right through Sunday. We are looking at highs for tomorrow. As the winds go from the north and northeast, they're going to go to the west and southwest. So we're going to see temperatures topping out in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Again, with mostly sunny skies. Same for Saturday, mostly sunny, but temperatures tack on about 5 more degrees. Will be mostly in the middle 80s from northeast Virginia to southern New England. And Sunday, we're looking at temperatures in the middle to upper 80s with some of the warm spots down around Baltimore and Washington getting up close to 90 degrees. Monday brings the next cold front, so that might mean a little bit less in the way of sun, and also the chance that we could see some showers coming in later in the afternoon and evening. And temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s on Sunday. And once that front moves by, we have another high building to our north, so we should be back to some sunshine and slightly cooler temperatures on Tuesday. We'll be in the mid 70s to around 80 degrees or so, and some sunshine for Wednesday with temperatures mostly in the middle to upper 70s. This next high doesn't have as much cool air as the one we're seeing now, and we don't have a hurricane like Umberto out to the east just funneling down the cooler air, helping to funnel down some of the cooler air. Now, as far as the tropics are concerned, the Imelda, which is still a remnant tropical depression, has just been going crazy here with the rain in southeast Texas. Many areas getting up to 2 feet of rain, and it continues this afternoon. You can see this huge blob of clouds here. There's some pretty intense thunderstorms that have been going on from Houston on eastward toward Beaumont and Port Arthur. And as I said, they've been getting clobbered with rainfall. Hurricane Jerry, with top winds of 75 miles an hour, is moving to the west-northwest, continues to organize here. And it's going to probably make a close pass to the Northern Leeward Islands, but I think it's going to pass just far enough to the north and east of those islands to keep the strong winds away. That was not the case, by the way, with Umberto in Bermuda. They got absolutely hammered yesterday and last night with winds. Hamilton, Bermuda, at 1 hour at 7 o'clock last night was sustained 86 miles an hour, gusting to 112. That was just incredible. And Umberto now, of course, causing rough surf here. So if you're headed to the beaches, probably into Saturday, we're going to see rough surf conditions. So bear that in mind. Now, going forward, our high is sitting right along the coast, right overhead, and there's not a whole lot of moisture to deal with when we look around. So as that high settles to our south, those winds become more westerly on Friday, and then Saturday we're going to have a west-southwest wind, and Sunday as well. And here comes the next cold front for Monday, which will pass through here probably late Monday afternoon and Monday evening with a few scattered showers. And then after that, another high builds in with drier air to take us into the middle part of next week. And Jerry, by the way, does recurve the flow in the upper atmosphere. There's a trough that's going to get left behind by Umberto, and Jerry reacts to that by turning northward and northeastward, and that too makes a pretty close pass to the island of Bermuda. So Bermuda may be in the target zone here right now, with the tracks of these Atlantic tropical storms and hurricanes, but no threats to us. We're just going to continue to enjoy a beautiful stretch of weather that will mean for a nice finish for the summer. And autumn arrives on Monday. Who knows what that season will bring us. All right, have a great afternoon and enjoy yourselves. Keep a blanket handy tonight for those cool lows down in the 40s in many locations, and prepare for a really, really great finish to the week on Friday and a gorgeous weekend.